I am feeling so good on this day that the Lord has made. I said the Lord is doing great, great things, yeah. So with Him I know that I win. I said with Jesus I will win. I'm not gonna lose no more. I'm not gonna fight no more. 'Cause I got God on my side. I got God on my side. I'm feeling like I can't go.